Hey guys, welcome to Recipes Tested. I'm Brianna Robinson, and today I'm going to be doing a Buzzfeed recipe, the 4 different styles of banana ice cream. Where I live, it's averaging a high of 95 to 100 degrees outside. It's getting really hot really quick, so having a nice, healthy, sweet treat to cool us down is exactly what I'm going after. So I will leave the link to the recipe down in the bottom below, and if you want to see how these recipes turn out, just keep watching and I'll get testing, and I'll also be kind of comparing them one to another just so you guys just know which one I personally like the best. So just keep watching. So I first got going by taking my overripe bananas and just cutting them up and popping them in a freezer bag. I froze them for about 2 hours just to make sure they were nice and frozen. And so for my first recipe, I blended the bananas beforehand. So I added strawberries, vanilla, and milk. Mixed that up until it was all smooth and there were no more strawberry chunks. And then I put that in a container to freeze. And then smoothed it out. And the next recipe I got going on with my pre-shredded bananas, chocolate chips, vanilla, and milk, and blended that until it was smooth. Did the same thing, popped it in my little container for the freezer. The third one was it was just vanilla, so I added my good quality vanilla extract that I make until that was all blended. And the foil's there because I put 2 flavors in this one. And then smoothed that one out. And last but not least, I got going on my peanut butter chocolate one. So I put banana and cocoa powder and blended that until it was all nice and smooth. Spread that out evenly into my container and popped it into the freezer for 4 hours. And then just scooped them on my little cones so that I can test them out. So here's the little cute ice cream, nice cream cones. So I'm gonna go ahead and give each one a taste and let you know how they are and which one I like the best. It's very banana-y, not a lot of strawberry. I'd probably add a lot more strawberry next time. This is the dark chocolate chunk one. Ooh, this one's nice. Really chocolatey, but this one I can hardly even taste the banana, so that's really good. I'm gonna try this one, and I can see the vanilla bean specks. This one just tastes like banana. And then this is the peanut butter chocolate one. This is a winner. This one is the most like the texture of ice cream, and you get a taste of peanut butter, then chocolate, then banana, which I totally love. So this one is my favorite for sure, but these are really good. I would definitely rate these 10 out of 10 because they're healthy-ish. And I don't feel guilty about giving these to my kids because it is just bananas. It's not loaded with a ton of other things. And it doesn't have to be unhealthy. You know, the strawberry one is definitely a lot more healthy than this one. So it's just kind of, you know, what you feel like, what you want to do. But that's it, guys. I hope that you enjoyed hanging out with me today. Give me a thumbs up if you did. Leave any requests for any future recipes down in the bottom below. And don't forget to subscribe. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.